Okay, this thing is crazy. Just go ahead and pause the video, scroll down, and click the link in the description below and buy one right now. Like seriously, this is a strong recommendation. They're on sale right now for $7.99, and at that price point, I mean, this thing is just a stupid good deal. Just go do it. All right, now that you've already bought one, we can get on with the review. Guys, I'm telling you, you gotta get some better branding. All right, this is zero branding right here, and this box is comically large. So let me open this guy up and show you what we have here. If I didn't have this little packing slip, I would have no idea that this is the God Boat portable waist fan, as opposed to the other waist fans I ordered, because, you know, I did order a few to test them out. Anyway, waist fans. Yeah, I had no idea that these things even existed until recently. And this is the first one I'm going to try out. Comes with zero instructions, but as you can see, there's a little power button right here, and I'm not sure what this is. Oh, I think that's just the display. And then USB-C charging right there. In fact, let's plug her in. There you go. As soon as you plug it in, it tells you the state of charge, which is really nice. It's at 60%, which I think is going to be good enough for us to try this thing out. Oh, and I guess you can use this thing as a power bank too. All right, let's go ahead and plug my phone into it here. And wow, holy cow, it actually says it's charging rapidly. That's actually kind of awesome. Was not expecting that, so good job, God Boat. That's got to be like breaking some sort of blasphemy law somewhere. But anyway, yeah, the idea behind these things is, as you can see, there's a little turbo fan down in there, and you're supposed to clip these things to your belt or just your waistband, and then also clip it to your shirt to hold your shirt down, and it's supposed to blow air like up into your shirt and cool you off. Sounds kind of refreshing, right? Especially on these Texas August days we've been having. And oh, I guess this little thing is like a stand. Yeah, look at that. You can stand the thing up and blow at you too. That's kind of cool. And it didn't come with a lanyard, but it looks like you have little holes here, so you could like put it around your neck too with a lanyard. Just stick the lanyard through those holes. Seems pretty useful. Well, anyway, let's turn it on here. One press of the button gives you level 1, and that's pretty quiet. I should turn my other fan off over here, I guess. But yeah, you can hear that guy like that. One more press, it goes up to level 2. You guys can listen to that. One more press and it's up to level 3. You guys can hear level 3. Oh, and it goes to level 4. So wonder how many levels we have on this guy, right? That's level 4. And hey, it's actually like moving the camera, like whenever I blow it at it, see? It's kind of funny. We got level 5. Now you can really hear it. And it's shaking the camera as I blow it past too. And then one more, it's off. And maybe, do we hold the button down? Does it turn on the light? Yeah, hold the button down, turns on the light. I mean, the light's pretty nice. It's actually not a bad looking light on that guy. Okay, so you can turn on the light and the fan at the same time. I guess you have to hold it down to turn off the, whoa. We got a little strobe. Hold it down some more. Okay, and then it goes off. Here we have a model number. It's JF130, and it charges at 2 amps, and the power is 10 watts. And I believe that's the charging power, not the power of the actual fan. Yeah, 5 volts at 2 amps is 10 watts. It'd be nice if it actually told us the power of the fan, but I guess it's kind of irrelevant. Hanging waist fan, it says. But yeah, all right, well, let's try this thing out. Get you guys down here to waist level at this guy, and right now I have it clipped to my gym shorts. You know, I can actually feel the fan blowing up at me. That's pretty nice. But here's what's going to be really nice. Let me flip my shirt over and get the shirt tucked into like the clip on the other side of it, and yeah, you can kind of see it blowing my shirt around. Yeah, that feels pretty good. I like that. It's on level 3 right now. Let me see if I can find the button. All right, that's level 4. There's level 5. Yeah, you can definitely see it blowing my shirt around now. Okay, I'm digging this. It's making my shirt puff up, make me look fatter than I actually am. But you know, we ain't got no shame when it comes to staying cool. But yeah, as you can see, it's kind of off to the side on my shorts here. I can't really put it in front of me because, you know, my Dunlap would be in the way. But yeah, it's kind of nice right here. And what's also nice about the way they position this clip is it keeps your shirt tail away from the intake ports down here. Because I don't know if you can hear that, but if I cover it up with my hand, it definitely, you know, starts to suction. Sounds like when your vacuum's plugged up. Whoa, mama. Okay, now this is where it's at. Now I have it on the small of my back, and this thing is like really blowing the air straight up my back. And this feels freaking amazing. Yeah, okay. And you know what? If I put it on my back here, I can lean over into an engine bay and, like, you know, work on the cars. Oh yeah, man. Like even when I bend over, like it's still blowing the air like up my shirt, like really good. Wow, that feels freaking awesome. Okay, yeah, I dig these things. So I don't know if you guys can hear this or not. I set the microphone down there right next to the fan, but with it in stand mode here, it's definitely transmitting some crazy vibrations into my tabletop here. So yeah, you can definitely hear some weird vibrations. When I pick it up though, the vibrations go away. You know, I don't know, just something to be wary of. But you know, it's putting out a good amount of air. And let's see if it'll still run when it's plugged in. Oh, well, it looks like it kicks down to low, like if you plug it in. That's probably like some sort of like safety feature to keep it from overdriving the charger or something. But hey, at least it does run plugged in, so that's good. I've been running it for, I don't know, maybe like 8 minutes or something, and it went from 60% charged down to 56. So I don't know, maybe I should set up like a time lapse and we'll see how long this thing will run completely after I get it fully charged up. But yeah, so far, I'm really liking this thing. There'll be a link down in the description below for where you can get one for yourself. It was pretty inexpensive, I tell you. Well worth the money to get that breeze up your skirt. All right, it took like 2.5 hours to get this thing fully charged back up to 100%. And I'm gonna get set up and we'll do a time lapse to see how long it lasts. I'll run it on high speed with my state-of-the-art timing device back here. Well, this thing has been going for over 2 hours now, and I need to get to bed, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this test off. Honestly, I'm surprised it lasted this long. All right, let's go ahead and get the power plugged into it to see what the battery level is at. Wow, it hasn't even dropped down to 50% yet. It's on 51%. Hope you guys can see that on camera. That's insane. Does that mean it'll actually go to 4 hours the whole time running on high? I don't know if it's gonna scale like that, but still, that's freaking impressive. And you guys wanna know the craziest thing? This thing is only $8. That's right, I just checked Amazon and it's on sale right now for $8 freaking $7.99. Go buy one. I highly recommend it. This thing is kind of awesome. So yeah, it gets a big thumbs up from me. Well, bye. Thanks for watching.